Never plant garlic without this. Watch this video before planting your garlic. This will ensure large and healthy bulbs. Garlic doesn't have many pests, but one of them can significantly reduce yields. It's the onion fly, also known as the onion maggot. It emerges from the soil in early spring and lays eggs in immature onion and garlic shoots. Garlic cultivation is also affected by fungal diseases. That's why it's best to protect garlic from the moment of planting. First, prepare the soil. If you have wood ash, sprinkle it in the field where you want to plant garlic. It will provide essential nutrients and protect against pests. Take the garlic and separate the bulbs. Prepare all the cloves you have for planting. Discard damaged and small ones. Pour water into a second container. 1 liter is enough for this amount of cloves. Add a tablespoon of salt. Stir until the salt dissolves. Place the garlic cloves in this brine and soak them for at least 15 minutes. If possible, leave them for up to an hour. Then remove them and let them dry. Make holes in the soil with the end of a rake and place the garlic cloves in them. You can also plant garlic directly into the ground without preparing holes. Cover the garlic and you're done. This treated garlic will be protected from diseases and pests. You can also sow carrots between the garlic. These vegetables protect each other from pests. I put garlic under my husband's pillow. He had no idea about it. However, when he woke up in the morning, he was surprised because he thought his problem had magically disappeared. I confessed to him that I used my grandmother's method. Plain garlic turned out to be the solution to his annoying problem. Although most people are already familiar with the amazing properties of this medicinal plant, on my channel, you can find recipes for syrups based on it. It turns out that it also has a brilliant application in the bedroom. You can use it in 2 ways. In the first method, peel a clove of garlic. Then, insert several cloves into it. Its oil soothes headaches, stimulates the immune system, and alleviates symptoms of respiratory diseases. Place such prepared garlic under the bed or on the coffee table. Leave it there overnight. The second method is faster. Just take a few cloves of garlic in their skins. Then, gently crush it so that it cracks. This will release its aroma, but it won't soil the bed linen. Place these cloves under the pillow and go to sleep. It turns out that this is a natural remedy for insomnia. Garlic produces allicin. It has a calming effect and helps with falling asleep. Even people who snore at night can benefit from this method. Garlic under the pillow can help unclog blocked nasal passages and facilitate breathing. My husband stopped snoring on the first night. We will be testing more to see if this method works every time. What do you think about this method? Soak the garlic in water to encourage root growth. Garlic planted in soil this way will grow faster. This is a method for rapid rooting of garlic. Prepare 1 plastic bottle for rooting for each garlic bulb. Peel the outer skin layers off the garlic bulbs. Then, trim the tops of the cloves with a knife. Do this with each garlic bulb you want to root faster. Even if it has already started to sprout a green stem, trim it. This procedure stimulates the garlic to grow faster and accelerates rooting. Cut off the top part of the plastic bottles. Shorten the bottles and insert the inverted top part into them. Pour water into the prepared bottles. Place the garlic bulbs in them. The bottom part of the bulb must be submerged in water. Check, change, and top up the water daily. Keep the garlic on the windowsill, but not in direct sunlight. After a few days, the garlic will have substantial roots and will sprout young stems. After 1 to 2 weeks, it's time to plant them. Separate the bulbs with roots. As you can see, the roots are beautiful. If you wait longer to plant, you'll see the garlic forming cloves. Soak the garlic in a bowl of water and add some salt. Soak the garlic for about 15 minutes. Salt protects the garlic from pests and prevents fungal diseases. Then dry it. If you want, plant some of the garlic in a pot. It can be placed on a windowsill. These conditions will ensure you have garlic quickly at home. Plant the rest of the garlic in the garden. I plant garlic on newspapers. But I'll talk about planting garlic on newspapers in the next video. So stay tuned for updates. Why are cucumbers packed in plastic wrap? The reason may surprise you. Why are green cucumbers wrapped in plastic while other vegetables are not? Producers of this vegetable often opt for such packaging. It might seem like plastic wrap is an unnecessary addition that generates unnecessary waste. However, it turns out to have an important purpose. Cucumbers are one of the most popular vegetables purchased by consumers. In stores, there are usually two types of cucumbers available: field cucumbers, which have characteristic bumps on the skin, and greenhouse cucumbers, which have smooth skin. The latter are packed in plastic wrap. To understand its purpose, one must delve into the structure of this vegetable. Cucumber consists of over 90% water, which provides its elasticity and also contributes to its taste. The plastic wrap is crucial for the transport and taste of this product. It turns out that precise protection of the skin with its help is essential. It prevents water from evaporating from the vegetable cells, ensuring that we buy fresh, firm, and juicy cucumbers rather than dried out, soft, and spongy ones. The plastic wrap also has a purpose in transportation. Greenhouse cucumbers are often imported from other countries. It protects them from being crushed and, when vacuum-packed, shields them from mold. Despite protection from contamination, it should be remembered that such cucumbers should be washed before eating. Although packaging them in plastic wrap may seem like an environmentally unfriendly solution, without this protection, the vegetable would have no chance of reaching our stores. A more environmentally friendly choice may be field cucumbers. There is no need to pack them in plastic. Put a stocking on the pot. The plants will stop getting sick. Line the potting soil with cotton and pull the stocking over it. This trick can save your plants. When used regularly, it ensures the health of your flowers. It protects them from diseases and pests. When discolorations and spots appear on the leaves, few of us know whether it's bacteria, fungi, or pests. You usually resort to spraying, but with dense foliage, it's not that simple. The spray needs to be precise. It's easy to miss a leaf. Wiping the leaves with a cotton ball is not always effective, and it's time-consuming. Try another trick. Take some cotton and lay it on the potting soil. Completely cover the plant with cotton. Use a piece of old pantyhose and stretch it over the pot from below, so it holds the cotton in place. Fill a bucket with water, add chopped garlic to it. Use plenty of garlic. Leave the water for about half an hour. After this time, take your plant and immerse it in the bucket. Only immerse its leaves. If the bucket is larger than mine, use sticks to prevent the pot from falling into the water. Leave the plant in the water for several minutes. Garlic is antibacterial. It also kills and repels pests. Instead of sprays, you can save your plants by soaking them in water with garlic. They will be healthy, and you will enjoy their beautiful sight.